Hello viewers, Messenger, this video is no longer available problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, just check your internet connection is stable and then go back. Now open App Store or Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for Messenger. From here, update your Messenger app if it available. Now go to settings, scroll down, click on general. Now click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Messenger app and click on it. Now click on upload apps. Now click on upload apps again. Now reinstall app, and if you are a Android user, just clear cache your app data. Now go back to home screen, restart your phone, just restart your phone. After all the process, I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.